To pay a person using Huntington's Bill Pay, start by visiting the official website, huntington.com, and log in by entering your username and password. Once logged in, click on the Payments tab located in the upper corner. Then select Pay Bills from the drop-down menu. On the Bill Pay page, click Add New Pay and choose the Pay a Person option. Enter the recipient's name and phone number, and check the box to continue. Next, enter the recipient's routing number, account number, and account type. After reviewing the information, click the Continue button. If everything looks good, click Add Pay to proceed. You can then enter the amount to send to the person and click Continue to review the payment details. If the information is correct, click Confirm Payments to complete the transaction.